guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to WIGS, where we create your perfect image, guys. Welcome to my small business. Oh, shit. So guys, today I'm still working on this, but I'm not working on this week. I worked on this week. So guys, I worked on this week a long time ago, but I wasn't contented with the results that came out. So guys, I decided to cause the method I used when I was making this wig didn't come out very well, so I decided to redo this wig again. So guys, let me show you. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I had plated before, this type. So I had to do knotless because knotless is the one trending these days. So this wig has been on display for like a month and more. So my clients were told me, no, one knotless we like the color of the wig, but we don't like this or the fashion plating. There is a difference between this and this knotless, guys. So I had to redo the wig again. So we are in Christmas season, guys. Let me see the date today. Today is 21st. 21st. And the time check. 1 minute to 4. 1 minute to 4, guys. So guys, yeah, I had to redo this wig again. So I unplate and then I do plate again. And when this is working on another wig, let me show you guys. This is the wig. It has too many colors. Guys, I love colors. So guys, this is it. Yeah, she's making that. So this is our small business, guys. Patronize your girl. So guys, I even bought this dummy stand. How should I call this? Is it a dummy stand? Dummy. I don't know how they call this, but guys, we got a new dummy stand. So guys, I was struggling with this. I bought this on Amazon when I was in Dubai. I bought this on Amazon, but guys, it was not strong to hold these big head dummies, guys. So I had to buy this big dummy stand, and I went to also buy another dummy stand for my niece because this one is not that strong to hold these big head dummies, guys. So at the moment, this is the wig I'm working on. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, I had to redo it. I love doing good. So guys, let me get this. My niece made hot wigs. Is it hot wigs? Wig hats. So guys, let me get this wig hats and I show you how they go. Jesus Christ. So guys, let me bring this hot wigs wig hats. So guys, we're back. So she made this. Guys, I don't know how. So this is it. This is how it looks. If I had no, without trying, you guys look. It didn't come out well because I have this. So guys, that's an update on our small business. So guys, it's time for me to get some hot water. You know, these days I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. I don't want to lose it all, but I want to lose some. Oh, someone's scared me. We just heard so guys, someone took my car. Oh, this one is not. Oh, Jesus Christ. So I just washed his mask. My auntie told me to try out one more that is good for my health. Did you know that, guys? If yes, let me know down in the comment sections so that I get to know more about it. I just poured water down. Let me get the rug. I'm cleaning the water down. Guys, I forgot to show you this. My mama made this. She's getting better and better every day, you know. She made this. She was like, I told her, Mom, you have to try and make a weed for me. And she said, really? Alright, let me try. Like, look at how she made it last week. Look. So guys, it's my time to work again. I would have shown you what I'm going to do. But the bad thing, I forgot my camera stand at home. So guys, just patronize with that. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.